Do smartphones need antivirus software?
Smartphones can be vulnerable to malware and scams, especially if you download apps from unofficial sources, click suspicious links, or use unsecured Wi-Fi. While both Android and iOS have built-in security features, the risk of viruses varies by how you use your device. Let's dive into the reasons for and against installing antivirus software on your smartphone.
How effective are antivirus apps on Android?
Android devices are more open than iPhones, allowing you to install apps from outside the official Play Store. This flexibility can increase the risk of malware. Antivirus apps can help scan for suspicious apps and block dangerous links, but their effectiveness depends on the app's quality and your device habits.
What about iPhones and antivirus apps?
iPhones are generally more secure by design. Apple's strict app review process and system architecture limit what security threats can do. Most antivirus apps for iPhone offer features like safe browsing and privacy alerts rather than classic virus scanning. The overall risk of viruses on iOS is much lower compared to Android.
Are there any downsides to antivirus apps?
The antivirus apps can impact your phone's performance, sometimes slowing it down or draining battery life. Some free versions show ads, and not all apps are trustworthy. It's also important to remember that careful habits, like only installing apps from official stores and avoiding suspicious links, go a long way in keeping your device secure.
So should you install antivirus on your phone?
Antivirus apps make sense if you use Android and download apps from outside the Play Store, or if you're worried about phishing attacks and want extra security features. On iPhones, sticking to good security habits is usually enough. Ultimately, deciding whether to use antivirus depends on your personal risk level and tech habits.